TidyCal is a game-changing scheduling tool designed to help professionals, businesses, and teams effortlessly manage their time, streamline appointment bookings, and eliminate the hassle of back-and-forth communication. Whether you're a busy freelancer, a consultant managing multiple clients, a small business owner with a packed calendar, or part of a large team, TidyCal offers a simple yet powerful solution to optimize your scheduling process. What sets TidyCal apart is its ease of use, customization, and flexibility, giving you complete control over your booking system. For a one-time payment of just $29, you can unlock lifetime access to TidyCal with no hidden fees or subscriptions to worry about. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective option for anyone who values their time and wants to reduce the amount of energy spent on scheduling. One of TidyCal's standout features is its ability to let users create fully customizable booking pages that reflect their availability. You can easily set your preferred meeting hours, define durations, add buffer times between meetings to avoid overbookings, and even specify limits on the number of bookings each day. This level of customization ensures that your scheduling system works in perfect alignment with your personal or business needs. TidyCal integrates seamlessly with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, ensuring that your appointments are always in sync and up to date no matter which platform you use. You no longer need to manually cross-check calendars or worry about double bookings. For those who require payment processing for services such as consultations, coaching sessions, or workshops, TidyCal supports Stripe and PayPal integrations. This means that you can accept payments directly through your booking page, offering a smooth and professional experience for both you and your clients. The group booking feature is another powerful tool that makes TidyCal ideal for anyone hosting webinars, classes, or group consultations. With just a few clicks, you can coordinate multiple bookings for the same session, saving you time and hassle in managing large groups. If you're managing a team or an agency, TidyCal's Teams feature is a game changer. It enables you to manage team members' calendars and streamline the booking process across multiple users. Features like round-robin booking, where meetings are automatically distributed among available team members, and collective meetings, where a team can join the same appointment, make TidyCal perfect for businesses with multiple staff members or clients, requiring collective access. The custom user permissions ensure that each team member can only access the features they need, making it an efficient and secure solution for teams of all sizes. With over 200,000 users globally, TidyCal has quickly become a trusted solution for businesses, consultants, coaches, and teams who rely on scheduling to drive their success. Over 3.7 million appointments have been booked using TidyCal, and users have collectively generated over $9 million in revenue. It's clear that TidyCal is not just a tool, it's a powerful productivity platform that allows you to take back control of your time and focus on what truly matters. By offering all of these features at such an affordable, one-time price, TidyCal ensures that every professional, no matter their budget, has access to a high-quality scheduling system that works seamlessly. TidyCal's user-friendly interface and seamless integrations make it the perfect tool for anyone looking to save time and reduce the stress associated with manual scheduling. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a growing small business, or part of a larger team, TidyCal provides the ultimate scheduling solution to help you work more efficiently and focus on growing your business. If you're ready to take your scheduling to the next level, save time, and increase productivity, don't miss out on the opportunity to get lifetime access to TidyCal for just $29. Visit TidyCal on AppSumo today and start making your scheduling process as smooth and efficient as possible.